Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and play Roblox on your Mac. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're using a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any other Mac, and you want to play Roblox games, I'll walk you through the steps. The first thing you'll want to do is open up a web browser. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Go to roblox.com and log into your Roblox account. You'll notice there isn't an obvious download button anywhere on the homepage or account dashboard. It doesn't tell you how to download the game so you can start playing. Instead, you'll need to tap on any game to trigger the download prompt. Let's say you just tap on one of the games listed on the homepage. Once the game page opens, tap the blue Play button. At this point, Roblox will begin to load, and a message will pop up telling you that you need to download and install Roblox first. Click on the Download and Install Roblox button, then click Allow if prompted. Now I have already downloaded Roblox. That's why my Roblox app will open up and I will be able to play this game. But if you don't have installed, you will get pop-up and then just follow the on-screen instructions to download the Roblox app. It's very easy. You just have to follow some 2 or 3 instructions and your Roblox app will be downloaded. After the Roblox app is installed, all you need to do is log into your account. This is the same username and password you use on the web browser version. Now that you're signed in, just tap on any game you want to play and hit the play button. The game will load and you'll be able to start playing it directly on your Mac, no extra setup needed. So that's basically how you can download and play Roblox on your Mac. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.